What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a client onboarding dashboard automatically right here in Claude. So let's get started. To build our client onboarding dashboard, we're going to paste our prompt right here. So we're going to tell it build a modern client onboarding dashboard for a digital agency called Lax Automation. Create user roles here. The first one is for agency, managing all client onboarding activity. And client only access their own onboarding dashboard. So for agency dashboard, include total clients onboarding completed, overdue tasks, pending documents, upcoming kickoff calls, onboarding progress, client status, tasks completed versus remaining, monthly client onboarding. And for client dashboard, include the welcome section, onboarding progress, checklist, upcoming tasks, required documents, recent updates, assigned team members, kickoff meeting details, timeline, and submit request button. For database, create a local data models for clients, onboarding tasks, documents, meetings, requests, activity log, and populate the application with realistic dummy data, including 15 clients, 40 onboarding tasks, completed and pending document uploads, schedule kickoff meetings, client requests, recent activity history. Ensure every page, table, chart, and dashboard is fully populated with realistic sample data. Design the interface like a premium SaaS dashboard with the light theme, purple accents, rounded cards, KPI cards, charts, searchable tables, progress bar, and responsive layouts. Use role-based permissions so clients can only view their own onboarding information. Do not use internal services or APIs. Keep all data local to the application and generate everything as a single interactive cloud artifact with working navigation and interactive components, and return only the artifact. So we are using Cloud Artifact to preview our dashboard. To generate our dashboard, I'm gonna hit enter right here. Let's give it a second for it to generate our dashboard for us. So here you can see successfully generated our client onboarding dashboard right here. It's amazing. So it has a login screen to pick agency or client, the agency view, client view, and the data inside. This is awesome. Let us preview our client onboarding dashboard. So I'm going to expand this right here. So you can either choose to continue either as an agency or a client. Let's begin with the agency. You can choose our team member right here. So you can either be an onboarding lead, project manager, brand strategist, tech integration lead, account manager, or content strategist. You can decide to be generally the onboarding lead. So the dashboard right here. So here you can see our dashboard. You can see the overview right here. We have a total of 15 clients. 7 have been onboarded, 7 are in progress, 5 have completed the onboarding process. We have 14 overdue tasks that need attention, 20 pending documents that are waiting upload, and 6 upcoming kickoff calls. Click on clients. You can see the list of our clients right here. You can see all of them. The ones whose status is onboarding, you can see them right here. The ones who have been onboarded, you can preview them right here. The ones who are at risk, you can preview them right here. Same as the onboarding tasks. You can see the onboarding tasks right here. So you can see the tasks right here. The clients here. Category right here. The assignee right here. When the project is due right here. And their status right here. You can also filter the onboarding tasks either completed, in progress, pending, and overdue. The documents right here, you can preview the documents right here. Clients right here. Dates and their status right here. So like we did with the onboarding task, you can also filter them either by uploaded, reviewed, or pending. It's awesome. So the same with the meetings. You can see we have 27 scheduled across all clients. You can see the clients that we have their meeting scheduled here. So here are the clients. Here's the type of call, date, time, attendees. The status is either completed or upcoming. Same as client requests. You can see the client request right here. So we have 12 submitted requests from these clients. Here's the subject, priority, when it was submitted, and their status right here is either open, in progress, or resolved. This is incredible. Lastly is the activity log right here. So here's a history of everything that has happened across all accounts right here. This is amazing. So this was the agency team dashboard. You can switch our account to client this time around and then continue. So these we're going to specific clients, like we're choosing Amelia Ross as our client for this moment. So the onboarding process of Amelia Ross, Amelia is 65% complete. So Amelia needs to still complete the onboarding checklist, which is complete the mutual signing of the mutual NDA, prove brand style tile, and connect analytics account. Right here. Here's a kickoff meeting and when it's going to happen. Here are the documents that are required. So the mutual NDA is pending. Tax form has been uploaded. Brand guideline is being reviewed. Logo files are pending. Here you can see the assigned team members and recent updates right here. You can also see our request right here is in progress. And then here you can also preview the onboarding timeline. So the kickoff call has been had and the contract has been signed. And content collection has happened, is in progress. Text setup and integration is upcoming. Training and final Q&A is upcoming. The live is also upcoming. So this was for the specific client. You can switch to a different client right here. This client right here. Click on continue. So the onboarding is 88% complete. So for the onboarding checklist, they need to complete the mutual NDA and approve the brand style tab. They've connected analytics account. Upcoming task is to complete the NDA, the mutual NDA, and approve the brand style. You can see the onboarding timeline. Kickoff call has been had and the contract has been signed. Brand and content has been collected. Text setup and integration has been completed, and we are at the training and age. Amazing. Here you can see that our kickoff call has already happened. Here the documents that are required, the mutual NDA documents, tax form, brand guidelines, and the logo file. Some have been uploaded, some are reviewed. Other documents are in the process of being reviewed, and the others are pending. Here's team members assigned to the specific client. Here are the recent activities and our request right here, which is in progress. It's amazing. We can preview any of these clients right here. You can see for this one, it's 100% complete. The onboarding checklist has been completed. We completed the content questionnaire, grant CMS admin access, and shared the font and type licenses. Kickoff call has already been completed. The required documents have been submitted. You can see the assigned team members, recent updates. The kickoff and the onboarding timeline is complete. So this is amazing. So this is for the client dashboard. And for the agency team dashboard, you can continue right here to preview our total clients that are being onboarded, the ones who have completed the onboarding process, the value tasks, pending documents, and upcoming kickoff calls. Here. So here you can see here we're going to have our onboarding progress charts, client status chart, task completed versus remaining chart, and monthly client onboarding chart. You can see our upcoming kickoff calls and recent activities over here. You can preview our total number of clients. You can filter them by onboarding, completed, or at risk. It shows all of them right here. So you can also take a look at the onboarding tasks right here. Yeah, all of them. You can filter them by completed, in progress, pending, and overdue. Same as the documents right here. Meetings right here. So we're about to have with the client requests right here, and the activity log right here. This is amazing. So we successfully generated this incredible client onboarding dashboard for our clients and our team here using Claude. You can choose any different client right here, preview the dashboard. This is amazing. So we can try generating a client portal. So you can see the difference between a client portal and a client onboarding dashboard. To generate a client portal right here in Claude, we're going to paste our prompt right here. Now to generate our client portal, I'm going to hit send right here. And here you can see the client portal that is generated for us right here. So let us preview it. And here, so here you can see our client portal. You can view it as an agency or as a client right here. Right here. So here you can preview the agency dashboard. You can see the total number of projects you have active, open tasks, outstanding balance, and the open requests. You also see the revenue in the last 6 months right here. So this is the chart. In this chart right here, you can see the project status right here. Projects that are in progress, in planning, in review, have been completed, and the ones that are on hold. You can also see the upcoming deadlines right here. Which project? See the status, progress, and when it's due. You can also preview the recent activity here. Also preview the number of clients accounts that we currently have in the agency. Same as projects right here. You can see the projects across all clients right here. So website design, email marketing funnel, paid media, SEO growth campaign, and content strategy. Same with the tasks. You can see the tasks across active projects right here. So we're grouping the tasks either by to do, in progress, in review, and done. And for the requests, you can see the request from all clients right here. So you can see the request, client name, type, when it was submitted, and the status right here. Same with the files. You can see the files stored across all projects. And right here, you can also be able to upload the files right here by adding the file name, choosing the file type, and selecting the project right here, uploading our file. Right here. Same as the invoice. And then lastly, the invoice right here, where we can preview total number of invoices that we've sent and how much we've collected. Also outlining outstanding balance here and the number of invoices that are overdue. You can also add new invoices right here by clicking this button. Below here, you can preview all our invoices. You can search for the invoice or filter the invoice here, either by draft, sent, paid, overdue, or partially paid. So you can see the invoice ID, client name, project amount, when it was issued, when it is due, status, and if you can mark it as paid. This is amazing. So this is the agency's dashboard. You can preview the client's dashboard, and like we did with the client onboarding dashboard, you can choose a specific client right here to preview the dashboard right here. So for the client portal here, you can see their name, Rachel. For Rachel, we have 2 active projects, 4 open tasks, and their outstanding balance is $3,000. So I have 1 open request. Here is the progress of the project that we're currently working on for this client: web redesign, website redesign, and email marketing funnel. You can see their spend per month right here. Their recent activity on the account will be featured right here, and here you can see the recent files. Same as the project right here. You can preview the project that we're working for the specific clients. The tasks right here, the one that we're doing in progress, in review, and done. You can also see the request right here, where they can add a new request right here and submit a request. Same with the files, they're going to upload their files right here, and the invoices that they have paid us right here. You can see one is paid and one has been sent, which is amazing. And you can choose any client right here. This is amazing. So this is a client portal that we generated using Claude. So this is the difference between the client portal and a client onboarding dashboard. So this is the client portal right here with the projects that we're working on for the client, tasks, requests, files, and invoices here. And also we're getting all this data like spend per month, projects, the recent activity, and recent files that they've uploaded. And for the agency, this is where we're managing our clients. We can preview the total number of clients that we have in the agency, projects that we are working on, tasks, quests, files, and invoices right here. So it's amazing. That was the client portal, and this is the client onboarding dashboard. And just to continue to the dashboard as any of the team members right here. Click on continue, and here you can preview the total number of clients that we have, clients that are in the process of being onboarded, the ones who have completed the onboarding process, overdue tasks, pending documents, and the upcoming kickoff call. So preview all our clients right here. Onboarding tasks right here, documents, meetings, client requests, and the activity log right here. This is amazing. So we're previewing as agency team members. You can switch to clients and choose a specific client right here. And here now we can preview the status of the onboarding process. You can see Amelia 65% right here. There's a different client like wildflower events. This one is 15% complete. Right here, so Piper Nolan, the onboarding status is 15% complete. They need to review monthly reporting demo, approve go live checklist, and review payment terms. Right here the upcoming tasks and the onboarding timeline right here. Kickoff meeting has been completed. Here are the required documents. Here are the teams assigned to this client. Recent updates right here, and our request right here. So this is the client onboarding dashboard that we successfully generated using Claude. This is how you can generate a client onboarding dashboard automatically using Claude. If you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.